Good morning, guys. I wake up now because I'm hungry. My stomach is hungry. Oh, look at my hair. See, very long. Long hair. 2 years. I can't cut in my hair. So that's why, oh, long. I use milk and steak coffee. I put serum here because my hair is, you know, and now guys, I check my fruits at the yard, and also the uh, my tomato. Guys, my tomato. Oh, my tomato is died. Huh? Oh my goodness. Before it's alive, now it's died. Oh my goodness. What's happening of my tomato? True. This is my guava tree near in the street only. That is also plants. I don't know what kind of this plant. And this is roses. Rose rose flowers. You see? Mm. And the other is dye loss. And this is vegetable. Green leaves. Vegetable. That name is alobati leaves. By the way, guys, I show you what's the weather here right now in my hometown. This is the weather here. No raining, but a little sunlight. And I show you guys. This is the rambutans trees. Uh this is a kind of fruits here in the Philippines. Rambutan. And this is the mango tree. And also this is tambis fruits. And this is the plant at the yard, gomamela. And also flowers. That's it.